At ProMaxx, our mission is to provide value-driven auto accessories that focus on quality, affordability, and functionality to satisfy a wide variety of needs at a great price. Proudly made right here in the USA, more powerful than halogen and with state-of-the-art optics and diode technology. We're talking about the LED 7-inch Par 56 round HiLo beam Jeep headlight from ProMaxx. By now, most of us know at least a little bit about LEDs and what makes them superior over halogen lights. With 2 LED chips, 1100 low beam and 1650 high beam lumens, and a wider range, you're sure to get the light you need to continue working or playing after the sun goes down. The ProMaxx Par 56 is road legal. It exceeds DOT FMVSS 108 and CMVSS 108 requirements and conforms to all applicable SAE standards. Each headlight lens is UV and impact resistant. Its housing is made of heavy-duty cast aluminum and has standard H4 3-blade terminals, which are integrated directly into the cast alloy housing. The state-of-the-art optics and diode technology provide a dramatically crisp beam with a wider, more even pattern and a color temperature that closely matches daylight. Installation is simple with drop-in replacement for standard 7-inch headlights. If you're looking for a wider beam range, longer lifespan, and top-of-the-line quality, then you need to get your hands on the Par 56 7-inch LED headlight from ProMaxx today. ProMaxx Automotive offers quality aftermarket accessories at great prices. If you like what you've seen here today and want more, then visit us at ProMaxxAuto.com. For quality, affordability, and functionality, it's ProMaxx.